how do you feel having your son win the British Boxing Heavyweight Championship belt?
I mean, very, very happy. From first of all, Happy New Year, yeah, yeah, and yeah, I'm very, very happy to see him win the British heavyweight belt. From his background of wrestling to win that is a huge achievement. I'm very, very happy.
It's an unbelievable achievement, and for that journey to happen, that doesn't just happen overnight. How do you feel the background in British wrestling helped contribute towards him winning that title on the night, with his upbringing around you as being a professional wrestler and a father?
Yeah, I will tell you something. You know, in the UK, they don't really value wrestling. But in America, they know the transition. So from the wrestling, you can do the transition to any sport. From a wrestling, you can do American football. From wrestling, you can do boxing. So that tradition, really, the transition of from the wrestling to do boxing, that really helped him. Because, you know, my kids normally in my club, I start teach them when they're 3 years old. So my son, from the age of 3, he started doing wrestling. He won the British Championship, the English Championship, the World Junior Championship in Amsterdam. He have that experience. Even in the certain point, become semi-pro wrestler and my assistant coach. And for him, going in the age of 18, going to do pro, going to do boxing. That was like when he was 18. After 10 years of pro, he won the English Championship. He won many. After 70 fights, he won almost 85% of his fight. I even in the point send him to Africa, fight for Africa. He had a fight in Morocco where he won he won his medal. He came up second. Yeah. So, but that was that was the fight in Morocco. He won, but didn't want to give him the first place. Where he didn't want to go to the stair to get the medal. They begged him to get just the medal because he beat the Egyptian. Because he was in the soul of the Morocco, you know them racists. So
Yeah.
he didn't want to give him his medal. And then anyway, he was very angry. They begged him just to get the medal. But for me, he won the first place because he beat the Egyptian. He won. Then he turned pro. When he turned pro, that was hard for him to be in the system because no one know him in the cycle. But he managed, keep winning. He's up down, up down. He had like 11 fight and won 9 fight. The other fight was controversial because the referee will say stop and the other guy just punch him. But it is a record. First time to see someone done 9 fight, 11 fight to fight for the British Championship. Is a record for the first time in UK boxing. So he done that record. So that's good already, yeah.
The belt that he currently has been held by, like, you know your boxing. I don't want to come across as a know-it-all as far as boxing goes. I'm a boxing fan. I love watching boxing. Couldn't box myself, but I absolutely love watching. So Henry Cooper has held the belt, Frank Bruno and Tyson Fury.
Yeah, Frank Bruno, Lennox Lewis, Anthony Joshua, Dylan White, Dubois. I mean, that's the House of Fame. I mean, in Lost Nail belt. Yeah. So that's really it's a very good achievement. Really, is now in the list of the greatest now.